Oh, mahalo, males and females. Miss McMullen here. Today is Monday, and I'm drinking a marvelous marshmallow and mint flavored milkshake. In today's lesson, you'll be learning about things like alliteration and rhyme and how they add meaning and rhythm to a text. Let's get started. Alliteration. Remember when I was drinking a milkshake? Well, let's look back at what I said. Mahalo, males and females. This is Miss McMullen. Today is Monday, and I'm drinking a marvelous marshmallow mint milkshake. Did you see what I did there? Many of the words that I said started with the sound, the letter M. That's called alliteration. Alliteration is what we call a literary device. With alliteration, a phrase will have many words that start with the same consonant sound, like m, t, or b. Alliteration gives poems and stories rhythm. When we say poems have rhythm, it means that they almost sound like they're a song. Let's try using alliteration in a tongue twister. Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Using the letter P so much in this tongue twister makes it almost sound like a song. Let's give it a try. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? We gave this tongue twister rhythm by using alliteration with the letter P. The P gives it that punchy sound that makes it sound like an accent or a beat. So next, let's learn how to rhyme. And together, we'll have a good time. Using these skills will give you the chills. You'll have so much fun, it's a crime. Rhyme. What is rhyme? Rhyme is also a literary device. It's when two words have the same ending sound. Words like cat and bat, or crocodile and meanwhile. Rhyme gives songs, poems, and stories rhythm and meaning. Let's read this book together. It's called Snowman at Night, written by Carolyn Buhner with illustrations by Mark Buhner. I love this book. At the beginning, while the main character is making a snowman, he wonders, what kinds of silly things do snowmen actually do at night when he's sleeping? One wintry day, I made a snowman, very round and tall. The next day, when I saw him, he was not the same at all. Which two words rhyme? Tall and all. These two words have the same ending sound. Let's try another. His hat had slipped, his arms drooped down. He really looked a fright. It made me start to wonder, what do snowmen do at night? Can you find two words that rhyme? Fright and night. They have the same ending sound. These two words are rhyming words. Okay, now it's your turn. Can you find two words that rhyme? I think that snowmen start to slide when it gets really dark, off the lawn and down the street, right into the park. If you chose the words dark and park, you're right. See if you can find two more words that rhyme. They gather in a circle while they wait for all the others, sipping cups of ice-cold cocoa made by snowmen mothers. Did you choose others and mothers? That's all we have time for today, but if you like this book, ask your librarian for a copy. So by now you've had practice using alliteration and rhyme to find rhythm and meaning in a text. So sorry I'm slurping my sweet, scrumptious milkshake. But now all I really want is a cupcake. Remember, alliteration is when two or more words in a phrase start with the same sound. And rhyming is when two or more words in a phrase end with the same sound. By now, you can tell how rhyme and alliteration add to a text's rhythm and meaning.